Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Hey, we picked up one of these Arctic Air Breeze Jet from the personal coolers. Clips on your belt or around your neck or something like that. We'll show you how to use it. All right, here it is, Arctic Air. This is the wearable air cooler. Goes under your shirt or around your neck, either way. Has 3 different speeds. Cools you, goes under your shirt, like I said. It's on your belt. Let's open this little guy up and see what we can do with it, okay? See how it works. What do you say? Who's this little guy? Be honest. What do you think? They want you to tell them what you think of it, okay? Here's your instruction sheet. It says how to use it, how to charge it, and all that, okay? Let's get that out of the way. USB charger cable. Doesn't come with a charger. It plugs in the USB port or either the thing that you charge your phone with, okay? There it is. Okay, we'll show you where everything is here in just a second. There's your strap. Slip it through these little holes right here and go around your neck like this, and it'll blow up on your face. But I'm not going to put that thing on right now. Okay, just get that out of the way. To charge it, right here, USB-C goes in the bottom right here. Plug it into the USB port of your laptop, your desktop, or your charging item that goes on the wall plug. Okay, I'm not going to do that right now. Show you how to charge that in a minute though. Get that out of the way. All right, to charge it, you just plug it into the USB port. See the red light there? It's red while it's charging. When it turns green, it's charged and you're ready to go. Well, as you can see, the green light came on. That means it's fully charged. Took approximately 1 hour and it's ready to go. Here it is. This is the strap, the clip that goes on your belt. When you get it on your belt, you pull your shirt down over it, slip it in here, keep your shirt from blowing up, get out of the way, okay? And there's your on and off switch. It has 3 speeds. 1, 2, 3, off. All right, that's a pretty convenient little guy. I think we ought to try this little thing out. We're going to use it on our belt clip, okay? We'll show you how to do that. All right, take the big clip here, clip it onto your belt, or I guess you could clip onto your pocket. Either one, it won't fit right there real good. It doesn't stay real good. So put it on your belt clip, like that, okay? Put your shirt over it, clamp it down in there, turn it on. Whoa, look at that blow. You see it flapping there? That's cool. Pretty good little item. Cools you down. You think that's too fast? Click it once, and it'll go down to a medium. Click it again, it goes down to slow. Click it again, it goes off. Pull your shirt out, pull it off of your belt, right there. Now, if you want to put these straps on, put the straps through the little holes right here. Okay, that's how it goes. There it is. Put that in there. Slip both ends of these little wires through here. Clamp them onto each other. This little guy goes around your neck like so. Turn this little guy on. Oh, wow. Blows up on your neck and all. Yep. If that's too fast, turn it down. and all. See the 3 speeds there. All right. I think I'm going to take this little strap off for right now. I'm not real interested in the strap around my neck, but well, let's leave it on for now. We're going to go outside where it's just a little bit warmer. I think it's close to 90 degrees out there right now, which is not real hot yet here in Texas. We'll take it outside and see how it does in the warmer air, okay? All right, we're out here in the warmer air. It's only about 90 degrees right now, so let's turn this little guy on. Yeah, that works good. The air is blowing is not 90 degrees, so it's actually doing real good. If we take this little guy off, all right, put it on my belt. All right, put the shirt in the other clip. I got the strap on there. I'm gonna take that thing off though. Turn that on. Oh yeah. Yeah, that works real good. Actually cool. Get the mosquitoes out of here. Actually works pretty good out here, doesn't it? That'd be good for mowing your yard or something. Turn it off. All right. So you see how it works outside too? Actually works pretty good. I think we'll go back inside now. All right, you saw how to use it, how to charge it. Charging port's right there on the bottom. Remember, the large clip goes on your belt link. Smaller one your shirt fits down into, okay? So if you like to get one of these, I ordered this from Amazon. There's a link in the description below where you can go find these, okay? Go check them out, and I think you'll like it. They do cool pretty good. They're not an air conditioner, but it does blow cooler air at you, okay? So go check it out. Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.